We're going to do our summer STEAM project. Fluffy slime. I found this off of Pinterest. So we need 3 cups shaving cream, a half a cup of school glue, which we've got the shaving cream and the school glue. We need a half a teaspoon of the baking soda. We've got our baking soda and our half teaspoon. We also need contact solution with active ingredient sodium boric acid. Daddy wears contacts. So we have our solution and food coloring, so you can choose a color. And Gabe is doing blue.
Technically.
Alright. Esther, the camera girl. Can you hold it so Mommy can help?
Yeah.
We good? Alright, Gabe. First point. You want to hold the cup or squeeze?
Can I do it sideways?
Right. 3 times. Squeeze hard. We gotta fill the cup 3 times.
1.
I know it's hard.
Is it farting?
Scoop it out. You can move to where you can see better, Esther, if you need to. Can you see better there?
I'm just showing them him scooping because it's kind of on the side.
You have to rub it because it's sticky.
Gabe's view.
Rub.
Technically.
Scoop. You got that? Fill it. Oh. I filled it wrong. 2.
She's
just going to get her hands dirty.
Okay. Yeah.
Isn't that the fun part?
Yeah, the funness is the dirtiness. And soon this thing will be blue.
And that's right. Can't go upside down.
Upside down is not the way to go. It looks so fluffy. It looks so light.
It is white, silly.
No, so light. Like the lightest white I ever... We can only do this for 5 minutes, guys. We gotta go.
Okay. And we'll do 4 because we didn't fill it too heavy.
Can't really...
Got it?
This is literally just Esther view. Oh my gosh.
Right.
Guys, this thing is filled. Now time for a round view. This is what it ends up to be like. Blue time.
You know how to get the lid off? Good job.
1,
2,
4, 5.
Good job. And then stir.
Oh, great.
That's okay. Good try.
It's going to turn out teal. Wow.
Probably. Because blue and white makes a light blue.
Which is called the color of teal. It actually looks so blue. It looks so beautiful. Oh, sorry guys. Itchy head. I'm trying to get it. Okay. It's going to turn out light blue.
Is that a good blue?
Yeah. Not a good color.
Enough blue, we don't need more.
Yes, it's the bluiest of blues.
Now,
It looks darker on this screen.
gotta add, it's because we're not the best lighting here. Blue. Stir.
Isn't that the end?
It says to gently stir it in a little at a time, so that's what we're doing.
Come up to ya.
Stir.
Bro? Just blop it. Bro? It looks like the bottle's puking. Poor little bottle.
Now we're going to empty an entire 4-ounce bottle. That is a half,
No, the bottle's
half
puking.
of blue.
The bottle's puking, guys.
Do you want to hold the glue and let Mommy take a turn stirring? I know it's hard.
No.
No? Alright.
It's ending up just like mine. Mine's beautiful. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it.
Alright. I think that's all the glue. Fluffy slime part 2. We're adding baking soda.
Baby soda, baby soda, baby soda. It's not baby soda.
Baking.
Mom, we only have 15 seconds. Ah!
Gabe Fluffy Steam Project part 2. Mommy's phone ran out of space, so we had to switch phones. Okay. We need 1 tablespoon of contact solution. It's the last ingredient. Esther, hold the spoon, please.
Yeah. No, I hold the spoon.
Okay, you hold the spoon. Make sure it's real still.
3, 2, 1. Stir fast as you can.
All right, stir. You gotta stir quick.
Use your hands, bro. Use your hands.
And then you can just stick your hands in there and start kneading it.
It's very fun, Gabe.
Squish it all together.
Woo! I got the finish. It's time to take it out.
Yep. Squish it all together so it'll come out.
This is the best blob. It could be a soccer ball right now. Squish. I will flatten
this fluffy slime requires kneading like bread dough, which means lots of squish, pull, squish, pull.
Squish, squish. I'm squishing the finished
So instead of being sticky, slimy, goopy, it turns into a ball. Like this is what it looks like finished. Esther finished hers a few minutes ago.
I can make a hand out of this.
And see how this almost, if anybody's ever seen candy making, like taffy, that's very similar to what this is right here. You do a squish and pull, and then it starts to get less sticky and more ball-like. See how that ooey goopy? But then if you rub it together, you can make a ball.
To clean your beautiful hands.
I never used to play with glue in school and do this all the time. Rubber cement works really well. We'll grab some more from here. You can add it in.
I know how to play slime so well.
All
I think Mommy has to do the thing.
Are you not liking the texture, Gabe? It's an interesting texture, kind of like playing with marshmallow.
Marshmallow! You know you can make marshmallow slime, like slime blurry out of marshmallow.
I'm going to pause this video to do a little cleanup, and then we'll come back.
Now.
All right. We did our cleanup, and now we're playing with slime. I got nice, fun, fluffy pillow slime. Okay. So why do you think it made a ball? Why do you think all these liquids came together and made a stretchy, goopy ball? What do you think? What happened?
It mixed into a ball of beautifulness. Squish!
This, like cooking, was a chemical reaction.
Mom, you're going to get blue all over.
Oh, yeah.
Mom!
Oh, it's just a tiny ball.
There might be one tiny piece.
So what happened is the chemicals in the contact solution and the chemicals in the glue made a new slime substance. And to make this slime fluffy,
I'm trying to make it how people do
we used the shaving cream. It added the fluff. Without the shaving cream, it wouldn't be fluffy.
It would be the ordinary slime.
It would be ordinary slime, which is just more slimy and not like marshmallow. Okay? Do you understand?
Yeah. Now I want to show the finished products.
Okay. You zooming in?
Yeah. Should we zoom in into the chemicals? Mommy, this is how you actually... This is how you actually do it to make it the fluffy slime. They fold it. We have 3 parts to this, and the beautiful product has come out. How you make it unsticky. I watch videos of making slime. Oh, BB-8 is right there. This is the BB-8 sensor from the movie, if you can't remember.
Okay.
Electric the sensor.
Now we push stop, Esther. The square.